Trubor Snem jong unong san Hima.
Ka school Saint Joseph Secondary School Laitkor. Kalau Kynjoh Mawmer jong ka jingdap shispa Snem. Kaba ya kani ka jubilee lawan ban play do sembut menteri rang ba ka chela uba Prestone song. Uba Johnny Mauri ki phadar ki sister ki rang ba ki nong hikai ki khna school ba ki kme ki pa. Ka school Saint Joseph Secondary School aseng ho Snem shijak nai spa ar phanrio. Bat menta usnam kalau Kynjoh shispa Snem. Hakba ke school hauni usnam kan pendong hi jing rakhe baro shisnam daki program bapher. Habakran kan kesni kum ukong san usembut menteri rang ba ka jela uba Prestone song ulong kani kari kesni bakerpang namar menta kesni la play ka jubilee jongka. Ula ajing ro eki khna school ki ble shimenta lingba ki jing shot ki jing roi bat ki wei. Shibenta bani don tilang bat ka school hakani kesnam jubilee uba Prestone song ula penbena ba ka sarkar kan no senyang life holak tingka bakin yo ban punan kam hak jinon kam ka jongki. Kum kadak jong ka jing play ka ne ka jubilee shispa Snem jong ka school u sembut menteri rang ba ka jela uba Prestone song ula Pynher ya ka Lama ban penbena ba ya ka ne ka jubilee la play.
Let us put our hands together.
Day today will go a long way in the history of your school, being the day of the inaugural celebration or the inaugural function for your celebration the whole year of its centenary year. The parish priest Father Francis Karpan, who is also the secretary of the managing committee, the headmaster Father Ribantius Mashering of the school, the faculty members, the school teachers, the students, the parents, and also I would like to express my sincere thanks the presence of the chairman of the Kynjoh, Laitkor. We also have here important personalities, the chairman Mawmer, chairman of the Centenary Celebration Committee, along with the members of the committee. My dear students, I am so thankful seeing the performance made by you, the special items you shown to all of us, and the credit goes to you as well as the teachers and the guidance. You are able to perform your items today. It's so fascinating and very, very meaningful too. I'm so happy once again to be part of this celebration, being the first day of the celebration. Number one, when I am here, the government of Meghalaya is also part of your celebration. So I represent here from the government to further inspire the services made and provided by the school for 100 years. You have contributed a lot to the development and to the economy of the state. So therefore, since the secretary of the managing committee, who also happens to the parish priest, who has requested the government to be part of this celebration, I would like to inform all of you today, as part of our participation from the government side, we will contribute 30 lakhs rupees for construction of multi-purpose hall here in the parish as well as here in the compound of the school. Number 2, we would like also to place it on record from the government side by going back the history of the school of years, who has been here for 100 years, and the journey is very, very long. But Mauri has just said to me, a number of personalities who pass out from this school, they serve the state of Meghalaya as I speak today. Meaning, the contribution made by your school ultimately contributed to the development of the state of Meghalaya. So therefore, we thank you, the mission you started from the very beginning, maybe in a very humble way. The parish priest has mentioned that. And we are today in this level. It's because of your hard work and dedication to serve the people of the state. So therefore, my humble request to all of you, let us further strengthen, let us further dedicate ourselves in good services to our neighbors, to the locality, and ultimately to the state of Meghalaya. Kilong kami, kilong pa, kikon sama, minta kasni ban rakhe, ya kadi ka jingdap sispa Snem jo kani ka school. Kan rung haka history, pateng la pateng. Lengba jong kabalang, kabala seng nungkong ya kani ka school. House Snem kat kendai spa at penri. Kalong pumni kumbakalong. Day nama kajing yalam. Kabasta jong uban najro unong bu unong tau ublay try kenal jong. Di kabangagwa ban ong ya pikalong. Ublay siya hajang kajing tray jong pi. Kapenlong bat kapenwandur ya ka Meghalaya jami kumbangilong hati ni kicuk kibamata dengan kerpat ya kinong hikai bai ai sisu ka jing sakri ka bakhamba bat ka babahatam hakane ka temple jong ka jingnang ka jingsta bahkan long ka jington ya ka dong ya ka thai ya ka jilla ba ya ka ri ka chat liu juni barok away ka kerpat ya ki kena school ru tray sitom ha ka jing puli ki joki kajing tray sitom nakaliang jog gapalan nakaliang jog managing committee bat nakaliang jog ni kesorkaru kalong bagi perkat ya kalaway kababit kababiang jongki lasai lasisni tingam kwa banbun Kynjoh kabnen kabateta kabnen kabakriat tenrei nilala yak bandon benta menta kasni kamtam nilala ru ban Plie ya kanika celebration menta kasni da kabangi Pynher ya kanika Lama kum kadak jong kajisna ai bakanika celebration ai biki program kiba per kiba pin pendon kam kiba pin le akini disni kibenai ban hadu kebakut jong ka Snem kan long sisa kaba mentoy om dang ya ki knas ko nrei kaba mentoy ru ia ka imlang ka salang bat da kadenta kari bat kacaj benri barok away ublei try kena unkur kulang ia di barok unkurku kaptam ya pi ka managing committee unkurku kerpang ya pi ka balak napok managing alam jong i paris pri si jongi unkurku kerpang ya pi nong hikai bat kunju ya ki cibi pipa barok ublei undor rengkat lem bat kadika school ka St. Joseph Secondary School nang ni syakmat kublei ya pi syahdan.
Ya don kanu ka kamru ka bangin hap ya keren ya penbej ki kamru ku mengalong ya pimene don kamra songkai ni songin ya keren hi hang ni barako kata kalong ka karukom im jang diri indai langit ndaki beriu ke ya be kata ka atkum ka juk ka bamta kan kanduk kani ka jong man barim bon ki ai baro ki balik uman barim ki ladu